Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're going to look at Disney, DIS. It did have earnings today, so it was a 50-50 shot going up or down. Right now we are down, I don't know, buck 67 after hours, so nothing crazy, but still, Disney just can't get things going. But again, this is the monthly. I mean, look at this move from 2011. Come on, it was a $28 stock. It's 120, and everyone still thought here it's got to go up. It's Disney. It's great. You know what? When we were extended from the 20 MA, like I always play these charts. When it got so extended, you got to short this thing. And look, it goes right back to the 20 MA. Great inside bar, comes back in again. Now this is the monthly time frame, so it's a bigger time frame. But this is bearish consolidation underneath the 20 MA. Until it gets above 104.23, it's not going anywhere. So we might get a bid tomorrow. They might do some more stock buybacks or something like that to get this thing going. Or some analyst will come out and give it a bullish, oh, Disney's going to 122 by the end of the year, some crap like that. Don't believe what these guys say. If someone's upgrading this thing, their buddy at Goldman Sachs or their buddy at JPM, they need to get out. So as soon as this gets to a specific area, it's coming right back in. Let's get into the daily. Daily bearish underneath the 20 MA, the 200 MA, the 50 MA. It's trying to get up. That's why I was saying if this thing gapped up on earnings, maybe 106 area, I would look at the short, and then possibly 114.79 up in that area. But looks like it's not going to go. Let's put the pivot here. Right now, 94.01 is going to hold. You have a gap fill. Is that where it's at right now? No, 94.34. You have the double bottom down in here. Let's go back a little further. You know what? We're going to put a trend line. Oops. Let's put the trend line from this low through there. So right in, let's see here, about 89.33, you're going to have some great support. Let's go a little bit further. Let's erase this line here. Let's put a fib from this top to that top. So we have 94.12 is the 618. You're going to have good support around 94 unless this thing starts to crack. If you crack 94 or what have you, we're going straight down to 91.40 and into down into this area right in about 90 bucks. It goes around 90 bucks, you might see a bounce. If it cracks through there, you're going to 86.24 and possibly lower if the markets start to come in. Again, bearish stance. You still had the earnings report. Anything can happen. But down, sideways, can't get above the MAs. That's a pattern to set up to go down. Weekly, same thing. You're below the MAs. You come down, bearish consolidation on an area of support. Again, it's setting up to go down. But again, sound like a broken record. Earnings, it's a 50-50 shot. Could go either way. This thing starts to break down. You're looking at 90 bucks or so. Oops, keeps popping up. Looking at that support, yep, right around 90, 86.30. Then I think in this area here around 94 bucks. That's a pretty good area. But again, weak stance. Disney had a run. Look at this pattern too on the weekly. Pulls back, retraces almost 100%. Then this is where everyone was, oh my gosh, how high can this go? You had analysts upgrading it. You know what happened? Everyone who got stuck right here, they all sold. They got their money back, and they're like, you know what, I'm done. Then, of course, we know what happened in the beginning of the year. But look at that collapse on Disney. Unhealthy markets. Stocks like Disney moving from 90 to 120 to 86 to this. People. I mean, from 30 bucks, is Disney that good of a company? Come on. You get all the bulls on board. This was just epic here. Boom, you had to short that thing. So anyways, and then look, you have a big bearish pattern down here, just kind of channeling up and down. So it will be interesting tomorrow. Markets are closed, so we're at looks like 94.96 by 94.99. That's what I have down in there. So, but that's Disney. It's in a bearish stance. Even on earnings, I would have been shorting this thing up in this area, 107, 106. But it went down, so we're not going to do anything with it. We might catch a bounce if it hits 90, 86. But we got to look at the SPY, the Qs, and see how that's reacting as well, because that's going to determine where most of these stocks are going. SPY sells, everything's dumping. It's as simple as that. Again, everybody, thanks for watching my videos. John at StockBookie.com. God bless. See you on the charts.